Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. Now, the first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Hey, check this out. This is $4,758.87, and that's my earnings for this week in my Warrior Plus account from my sales pages, bonus pages, and funnels created with WebCloner AI. I didn't work hard for it. Instead, I worked smart, working only a few minutes daily. And best of all, I get to keep all that money because I don't pay for ads or hire anyone to help me. How? It's super easy. I use the smartest AI technology ever created to hijack all my competitors' websites, funnels, sales pages, and landing pages. I know it sounds complicated, but it's actually way easier and more powerful than you think. You see, we've created a never-seen-before AI-powered app that allows us to legally hijack any website, funnel, sales page, or landing page and turn them into our profit-generating machine. This also gives us 100% control over the websites and sales pages we hijack by allowing us to add extra AI interactive elements. You see, with WebCloner AI app, I can add opt-in forms to build my email list, buy buttons, payment links, call to action buttons, share gates, images, videos, countdown timers, and a lot more elements directly over any website on the internet. I don't have to create, edit, install, or even upload anything. All I do is copy the URL of any website or sales page that has a lot of traffic, good design, and also good content. And I just paste the URL inside my WebCloner AI app. And within seconds, it'll hijack a website or sales page, and I'll have 100% control over the traffic, content, design, images, and even the links. Oh! And don't worry, all of that is 100% legal and ethical. We don't break any copyrights law or terms of service. So the question now is, are you ready to get something that is proven to work over and over? Then click on the button below and let's get started. Wondering how much it costs? We can charge thousands of dollars for WebCloner AI because we've made over $21,000 already this month. So it's safe to say that even asking for $5,000 for WebCloner AI is fair. But hey, I know you probably can't pay that much right now. It's been a tough year, and seeing that WebCloner AI cannot become saturated, I'm willing to offer you WebCloner AI at a never-seen-before discount. Less than the price of a cheap dinner. And that's it. But you have to be quick. Inside WebCloner AI, we give each user great attention and live support. Because we want to keep our 100% success rate status. And if we accept more members than we can handle, it will all go wrong. So, sadly, I'll have to limit the amount of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $297 monthly. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Are you ready? Click the button below and get instant access to WebCloner AI Plus, our exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $5,000. I'll see you inside.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.